Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your mobile office app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on profile here options, you just click on it. So you come to next step here, come here to correct to NGL capitals here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.